Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study minor of an element. So we will start with definition. What is definition? In a square matrix, the minor of an element is a determinant obtained by deleting row and column in which that element is present. So this is very simple definition. I will consider a 3 by 3 matrix. So in this 3 by 3 matrix, there is 9 elements. So each element has a minor. Suppose I will consider a first element a11. So what will be the minor of this a11? So minor of this a11 can be obtained by eliminating first row and the first column. Why first row and the first column? Because a11 lies in the first row and the first column. So after deleting the first row and first column, we have these four numbers. So taking the determinant of these four numbers, we get minor of that element. It means minor of element a11 is denoted by capital M11 and that will be this determinant. So similarly, we can find the minor of this a12, that will be denoted by capital M12. This is again a determinant. I will consider this a13. So what is minor of this a13? Just delete the row in which this element lies and the column in which that element lies. So this lies in first row and third column. After deleting first row and third column, these four elements are remaining. So taking the determinant of these four elements, we have minor of this a13, that will be capital M13, and that is what? That is nothing but this determinant. So this is the simple definition of minor. So now we can find the minor of M21, A21, A22 and so on. So I will consider this A21. So what is minor of this A21? Just delete this second row and third column. After deleting this second row and third column, we have this as a first row and this as a second row. So this is what? This is your matrix. So what is the minor of this element a23? That will be denoted by capital M23. This is your required determinant or required minor. So this is the general example. So now I will consider a particular example of particularly 3 by 3 matrix. So in this matrix, if I consider this first element 1, then what is minor of this one? Minor of this one is obtained by deleting this first row and the first column. So after deleting the first row and first column, we have these four numbers, and taking the determinant of these four numbers, it means minor of this one, that will equals to denoted by capital M11, and that will equals to this determinant. So after solving this determinant, how to solve this determinant? Just take cross multiplication. So 5 into 9 is what? 5 into 9, and 8 into 6 is what? 8 into 6. So 5 into 9 is 45, minus 8 into 6 is 48. 45 minus 48 is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 is a minor of an element 1 in this particular matrix. Suppose if I consider any another element, then also we can find the minor of that element. Suppose I will consider the element randomly this 6. So if we consider this 6, what is minor of this 6? Just delete this second row and the third column. After deleting second row and third column, we have this as a first row and this as a second row, and the determinant of that, it means minor of 6 is nothing but denoted by M23, and that will be what? That will be this determinant, and this determinant can be solved again by just cross multiplication. So 1 into 8 is 1 into 8, 7 into 2. So 1 into 8 is 8 minus 14, 8 minus 14 is minus 6. So what is minor of 6? Minor of 6 is a minus 6 in this particular matrix. So in this particular video, I considered both matrices as a 3 by 3 matrices. So anyone can consider 4 by 4, 5 by 5 matrices. So if anybody consider a matrix 4 by 4 matrix, then what is difference? So just here he get a 3 by 3 determinant, and that can be solved easily. So this is your minor of an element. So I will revise the definition. What is minor of an element? Minor of an element is a determinant obtained by just deleting row and column in which that element is present. Thank you.